Thursday the 24th, about 10:20 a.m. Just passing a big line that starts at Maritime and 7th Street. This line is for SSA Terminal Berth 58. They're having gate problems this morning, and the message went out in the morning to try and avoid this terminal. These are the guys that can't avoid the terminal. So we're passing by Old Transbase Gate. Up on Trans Bay, it's like 7th and Middle Harbor. You can tell, rainy day in Oakland today. You know, one thing you'll notice as we're driving here, you'll see a lot of bare chassis moves everywhere. That's because of all these steamship lines getting rid of their chassis and using multiple terminals, so you have to return the box to one terminal and chassis to another, or pick up the chassis from one place, pick up a box at another terminal. So this actually is creating more traffic within the port area, more gate moves. So whenever there's a hiccup, it affects the terminals pretty bad. So I don't see it getting better unless this chassis issue gets put to rest. TTI is on the right hand side, and they seem to have a little bit of a line going in. See straight ahead, that's a bare chassis being moved. So here we have this guy on the left is going into TTI. So the line on the left is TTI, the line on the right continues for SSA. So we've got lines everywhere. Just pay attention to the bare chassis moves in here. And just remember, everybody here is here because they've already committed from yesterday to be here. There's nothing they can do. They've got to return the load. A lot of these guys are out of towners. The guys that are local bailed out or doing something else. But there's a lot of people that are stuck here. Makes no sense. I don't know what their policy is these days on bobtails. You've got bobtails that are lined up with containers, and you've got bobtails that are coming up to the front of the line. So it makes no sense. Very confusing. So the other side of the street is also the line for SSA. So SSA seems to be moving, so maybe their gate is up now. So there's got some flow going in. Notice another bare chassis leaving SSA. Traffic signal makes no sense. Train is going by on the left. No traffic can go through there. But then we have a red light still here. Makes no sense. Another bare chassis leaving SSA. Got our green light, finally. This is another exit gate for SSA here. Seems to be kicking out some trucks. Now we're passing SSA and approaching APL Terminal Eagle Marine Services. Line still goes on this side. Bare chassis. So that's the end of the line for SSA. It looks like APL is not too busy with their land bridge, so you got all these trucks waiting for work. Actually on both sides of the streets. And APL has no lines.